good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from, whatever time is. So we're about to install this spoiler right here. It's pretty aggressive looking, looks good, but you'll see more once it's installed. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to get rid of the factory spoiler 1.5, I guess whichever model you guys have this factory one on. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove that, and we'll get to installing this. So let's get to it, right to it. That's it. That's why you guys subscribe to me. I get right to the point. Keep watching. All right, guys. So once the trunk is open, what we're gonna do is remove these. There's a few of them on top, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then at the bottom you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how we're gonna remove that? Let me get that flathead, bro. All right. So what you do is you take the flathead. You find the edge over here, like I'll show you right here. Yeah, so don't try to go from the back. You gotta find this edge right here. All of them have a clip, small tiny edge. You go into that, and then you just kind of push outwards and it comes right off. And another one, see right there. So you just pull it out, and that's it. All right, so once it's done, you just kind of take it off. He's helping me hold it up, but that's what you're gonna see. Just throw that down in the bottom, and what we're gonna do now is reach over there, that bolt over there in the corner. It's on one side, and there's one on this side. So we're gonna get there, and then with the plier, let's go step by step, then I'll show you guys. But it's better if you just unplug the tail lights, so you have more space to go there. Okay. Since I got the small one here, and it doesn't fit completely through, so I just got an extension here. Yeah, so it's an extension that would fit there, and then I got this one on, so it can move, you know, side to side, the angle. And then the bolt that you're gonna need pretty much is, what number is that? 5, is the focus on there? I'd say it says 516. Yeah, that's what it's gonna say on there, 516. All right, so we're gonna go over there and see out at a different angle, and then we're gonna, if you can, yeah, there you go, it's already done this side. So once it's loosened up, you can just take your hand in there, I guess, and you can fit your hand in there. It's alright. Yeah, so you see how I went in? You can't see me right now. You can't look in there. But yeah, I can, my hand is in there. I can feel I'm twisting it to the left side. And keep watching. Once it's coming off, it's a bit tough. Yeah, alright, I got it. So you see how easy that was? So I got the bolt. You turn it on? Alright, so look, my hand is good. I'm 6'2", so my hand is big. So every person should be able to put their hand in there. No complaints. So we're gonna go ahead and go for the second one. Alright, since that's off, we're gonna take the pliers. And what you do is kind of get up there and squeeze it together a little bit. So as you can see, this thing would squeeze up a little bit, and then it's best to start. Yeah, it's best to start from here and then go to the second one because it's gonna be pressure on the other side. So start right there and have your friend like pull. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So have your friend pull in this section area. And then once it pulls out, put some kind of like cardboard in there or something so it stays out, because the pressure is going to try to push it back in. And once you have this side released, you're good to go. The rest comes off really easy. So you guys, since I got that one out, I didn't have cardboard on me, so I'm going to put it now because it will try to go back inside. So I'm going to keep this, prevent it from going inside. And now I'm going to continue pull this out while he unclips. Go ahead, you unclip the other side. So like I said, start from there, so you're good. So now try to squeeze that one, yeah, with the pliers. and I'll pull out. Yep, there you go. And then watch this. So yeah, I pulled it out. It's, yep, I pulled it out. There you guys have it. See? And then we're gonna put, yeah, it's already completely out now. So we're good on this side.
So now is it middle and that's
No, you're gonna come here. I'm gonna show them. So what you gotta do now is, when those two clips are done, you're gonna have a 3M tape here in the edge, right here. So you just kind of hold it up. Yeah, it will come off. It's just that.
Let's take all of them off.
No, you gotta take this side off first, and then the rest will come off.
So
Because otherwise the pins will go back inside. So I'm just gonna put cardboard here.
do you want me to hold it?
Yeah. So with this, guys, just put some glue gun here, and then easily it will come off. As with light pressure, it will come off this side. I'll show you guys. If you guys want to have the glue gun, I'm gonna put the link in the description for you guys. So just spray it in there. So it will hit the, yeah, it's perfect. So it will hit that side. Leave it for a minute. Hey guys, I forgot to mention, yeah, I think that's it, yeah, there's a small tiny, well, it's a bolt. And right there, by the bolt on the right side, there's a small another,
All in the corner.
it's not a bolt, you just have to squeeze it and it comes right out. And it's right here, so that's a tiny one that keeps it stuck here, see? And 3M tape is a little bit right in the bottom, so it will come off automatically right there. Once you slowly put some glue on and push out, you'll be good to go. And we'll do the other side. All right, guys, so it's removed. We cleaned the area. And let's see if this will cover. I mean, I know this one doesn't cover the last two spots, the spoiler. But you see how this one is showing up? So we're just gonna cover it with the 3M tape, small piece of 3M tape for now. That should do it. So there we have it. We're gonna install the, what's it called? The aftermarket rear spoiler. It's already flushed, so it's good. Yeah, I forgot what it's called for a second. So once you have it set up, you just remove the top half portion. Make sure you stick it. Then now it gets tight. There you go. Alright, so top portion, just press hard. And now we get to the bottom. Here, bro. Throw it here. They're gonna comment, hey, stop littering. Bro, it's not coming out. Which way does it go?
Reliable, man.
I got it.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, you gotta. It's a perfect fit. Take this out, man. Now you have to put some pressure on it.
Do I need to?
Alright, show him all the stuff so they can see how it looks. Side views. Yeah, then bottom view. Yeah, come here, Head. That's a good spot. That's how it looks. That's it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share the channel. Stay safe.